Thunder from space on Unity. This is a game made for space, for space.com. Take a look of the beauty of the skyfall. This game is playing on 37 Ti, 8 GHz. And the game is recording. You see the skyfall. The beauty of the raining day. This is the character eagle, and this is thunder. Eagle, Miss Eagle is a special character. Thunder and the enemies. This place is very special. You can intruder on the base, on the place. And go in on the base and side of the place. You see the sky fall. This is Omega Project's place. When you see the raining and something special on this place, you can hide upstairs and look around at your enemies. You can hide your emotions. These are extremely easy way to don't let it see you. Roger. Just like that. Go inside the buncho. And your close-up nanomachines, silver clothes, will hiding you from the enemy. This is your place, the port. It's raining too, because it's a special place. Did you like what you see? So, give me a like if you like it. Don't forget about that. The ship of Angel. Angel is a girl, is the woman of the thunder, Thomas. When you see it is having ray tracing on there. This game is all thought about being ray tracing game with this future. But don't worry, this feature works in your hardware. It's not a special feature for special hardwares. You can play on NVIDIA, you can play on whatever you want. I'm trying to retest that on Rogalai for playing this on Nintendo Switch. Do you like it? Don't forget about like on subscribe on that. See it.